What's good, guys? It's your boy Mad Mike, and today I want to wrench on my Pontiac Fiero kit car, but I'm a little bit low on funds. So if you stick around, I'll show you how you can make a couple $100 on a weekend just selling some stuff around your house so you can buy the parts you need to be able to get wrenching on your project car. Stick around, let's go for a ride. Alright guys, let's get to it. Start walking around the house, see what I can sell online, start making some money. Item number one, snowboard. I'm injured this year, can't ride it, let's sell it. Guitar, boom, never play it. List that online, $100. Snowboard, $200. Now let's go outside of the storage shed and see if we can find any bikes or anything else. Alright guys, so as you can tell, found a couple items. BMX bike, never ride it. 50 bucks. What else we got? Nice vintage road bike. Maybe $100. Let's post it. So once you found your items that you want to list for sale, go ahead and grab your cell phone or a camera and start taking some pictures and posting them online. Well, it hasn't even been 5 minutes yet and I'm already getting responses on the bikes and the guitar. So now it's just a waiting game, see who wants what, go drop it off to them, get some cash in hand so I can go buy some car parts. Well, little update guys, I just sold the road bike for $100 cash. That's enough to get me the new fuel pump that I needed for the Pontiac Fiero kit car, so I'm gonna go ahead and order that up, and in the meantime, I'm gonna get changed out of my nice clothes into some work clothes and yank the fuel tank out. And just like that, I'm in my work clothes. Let's go yank the fuel tank. So, I'm underneath the carport right now, about to yank out the fuel tank. It's pouring right outside. Hopefully I don't get too wet when I'm underneath the car. Guys, something really important that you gotta do before you crawl underneath your car is go ahead and make sure that it's not gonna fall over. Put some extra blocking underneath there if you wanna be even more safe, but never crawl underneath your car if you think it's gonna fall over. What I like to do is give it a good rock. It ain't going nowhere. Be safe. Okay, so I'm ready to start unbolting the tank. And first things first, you're gonna wanna go ahead and put a jack underneath the gas tank. So that way when you loosen off the two bolts, you can lower it down safely without it crushing you. Let's go ahead and yank the tank. It reeks of old gas underneath here. Whew. Alright guys, so I got the tank unbolted, let's yank it out. Well guys, there you have it. I managed to get the fuel tank out of the car. Tomorrow I'll install the new fuel pump and we'll see if we can get the car to fire up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you tomorrow for more action on the Pontiac Fiero. Ciao, ciao.